a superhero, flying around with a cape, pitching bad guys. Got my head underwater, but I ain't in the shower and I ain't getting baptized. To the good and the bad times, all the cuts, broken bones, and the black eyes. Young motherfucker with a mad mind, made a couple million off of rap lines. Y'all can't tell me nothing no more. Came from the basement, under that floor. Don't come close, you don't need to know I'm the go.
Good morning, little love.
That's my little baby.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning, honey.
We're just here cuddling with Ram. And
Oh, that's my baby.
food's gonna be here in like 30 minutes.
What did you just say to me? The fuck did you just say to me right now?
I said food's gonna be here in like 30
What
minutes.
did you order?
I DoorDashed just Denny's.
What'd you get me?
Country fried steak and eggs.
Oh, girl.
We were gonna go snowboarding. We still might. Not 100% sure. But it's drizzling up on the mountain. And I don't really want to go snowboarding in the rain. It's not fun. So we just hanging. I wanted to show you guys the cool shoes that I got yesterday.
Jacket.
Nick got this cool jacket from Adidas. Whoop! Dang, Nick's popping. Rem's like, ooh,
Fucking
look
stuck.
at that. Ooh. Ta-da! The food has arrived. And if you're thinking, wow, you guys eat out a lot, you are correct.
You were not wrong.
I got chocolate banana pancakes.
That sounds good.
Yeah, I was like, whoo, gotta get that. Got my bacon, eggs, and hash browns. Rem, you're not getting any of this food. And then Nicholas
Your boy.
got the country fried steak and eggs with the little hashers. And he also got
Pancakes.
a side of pancakes. It's been a good morning so far.
Stop touching things.
Oh, he's so cute. We're gonna watch a little TV, and figure out what to do for the rest of the day. Hi! Morning, everybody. Today is gonna be an errand day. It's my day off. Nick is at work, and I just got a couple things to do. I am going to hopefully go harass my wedding planner. It's kind of loud. Yeah, go harass her because she's not responding to my emails. Tisk tisk. Go get a couple things with my car fixed, and then just hang out the rest of the day. So I thought it would be really cool to bring you guys with me. Let's see what we get into. I'm so excited. Okay, went into Holy Schmidt Donut. I have been wanting to come here for the longest time, but every time we're in Reno, it's just, we, don't get around to it. So they have specialty donuts. Let's see if I can get this box open because I want to show you the ones that I got. So we have got blueberry glazed s'mores, strawberry cheesecake, strawberries and cream, French toast, and birthday cake. Let's try a bite of the strawberry cheesecake. Oh my god. That is so fucking good. I don't know who comes up with these ideas, but these donuts are so fire. If you find yourself in Reno, you have to stop here. If you're a donut lover, you have to stop here. Although I can eat more, because I can eat more, I think I'll just take the rest home. Share some with Nick. Ram, Daddy's home. Come on. Come on. is that?
What's up? Yo, round.
Ram, look. Daddy's home.
Hi, round.
Mwah.
Hi, baby.
Oh, he loves his dad.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh my God, you're gonna love that.
Oh! Oh!
It's exactly what I did in the car when I had my donut.
Oh! Delicious.
Fire. You heard it here, live, on the Kulo at 8.
The Kulo at 8.
Nicholas Snyder is officially the graphic designer and photographer for the Nevada Normal. How does it feel?
That's great. I'm just happy to help. If there was any cause that I wanted to donate my free time to, it would be normal. So
Hell yeah, and
not a whole
I'll
lot of
cheers
places
to that.
I would work for free for.
Yeah,
But
buddy.
For cannabis, you caught me.